Okay, this is a short demonstration of how this crazy test setup for the AGC circuit works. Now I want to show you a number of things. I have two oscilloscopes set up here, two traces on one and one trace on the other. On this scope, the top trace is the input sine wave that's going into the circuit. In this case, it's about 1.6 volts. The bottom trace, the yellow trace, is the sine wave converted to square wave and frequency doubled. Everything is a little jittery because of the scope, or because of the trash in the breadboard. The other scope shows the amplified and somewhat distorted waveform inside the audio processor. There's a little diode right here, this one right here, there's a little LED, and when that one is off, the gate circuit is turned off so that the audio gain is reduced to virtually zero and no signal goes through the circuit. And I will show you that right now here. I'll stop the audio input and the little light will go out, and it did. Okay. At this point, all three scope traces are flatlined. Now, what will happen when I turn the audio back on, the first thing you will see is a little LED light will light up. Then you will see, well, first thing you'll see is audio will appear here. That's audio input to the board. Then the LED light will come on, indicating the gate circuit is open and it is starting to allow the amplifier to boost the gain. Then the signal on this scope will rise up as the gain comes up, and at the same time, a few seconds later, after the capacitors have charged, the output signal will appear here. So that shows the delay of the whole thing. There's a startup delay. The audio comes in, the gate circuit opens, the gain starts going up, and then the output comes on. Now I'm going to turn the light out here so we can see this happen, and I'll show you where the little gate LED is here. Now you can see it there. Okay. Now we'll back up here. Now watch what happens here when I turn this on. Gate, signal, gain, and output. When you stop it, it just goes away nicely. Start it back up again. Gate, signal, gain, and output. Off again. Gate, signal, gain, and output. So that's the way the circuit works. It's a little bit kludgy at the moment because of the mess on the circuit board, but I should have the boards here shortly, and we'll see how everything works then. So that's it, but I did want to send you this short little video and show you how it does work.